Alright, Always Access family, how you guys doing today? No, I haven't been posting in a while, but sorry about that. I've just been doing some family things. So today I'm going to show you how I go about cleaning my manual wheelchair. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the wheelchair we're going to be cleaning. I have my microfiber towel right here that I'm going to be using. One of them is going to be to wash it. One of them is going to be to clean it. Now my bucket's down there on the ground. I'm going to go put some water and soap. It's grab a cleaning solution of your choice. I just like to use water and soap and a microfiber. Now let's go get some water in the bucket and some soap. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use this turtle wax stuff. Alright, now we're going to put the soap in. Like I said again, this is turtle wax. This is normally for cars and boats and jet skis, but I don't think it'll hurt. That's probably about good just for a wheelchair. Make sure it gets nice and foamy. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's nice and foamy, ain't it? Now we're gonna go back to put the stuff down where my wheelchair is and we'll get to cleaning. Alright, so we're gonna start with the foot plate. Yeah, get to cleaning all the grimy stuff. Get to it. It's very important that you do this, because if you don't clean your wheelchairs, then girls aren't that attracted to you. Now we've moved on to the left, or I'm sorry, the right wheel. No, the left wheel. I'm sorry, the left wheel. Alright, so now we're gonna clean that wheel. It's hot out here today, guys. But we are in the summertime. So, alright. I just like to do the rims. Sometimes I like to clean the spokes of the chair. So that's what we're gonna do. Now we can move on to the back of the chair. So let's do that. Alright, now we're gonna get the back of the wheelchair. So let's do it. And for whatever reason, it's always back here that always gets so dirty. This is the last part of the wheelchair that is a make or break for you if you're going to go out with girls. It is very important that you clean this wheelchair, this particular rim, because if you don't get the last rim, women will not be attracted to you. So make sure you get this last rim, otherwise you will be out of luck when it comes to dating. Alright, now that you have it all clean, you're gonna go rinse it off with the garden hose, and after you're done rinsing it off, you're gonna let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. That was my version of cleaning a manual wheelchair. That is what I call the All Wheels Access beach chair. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. This is my first video back. I will be going to Costa Rica in a couple days, so look out for that footage. That footage is going to be insane. We will catch you guys when we get back from Costa Rica. No limits, only possibilities. Catch you guys later.